Live at 5. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis removed from leading the indictment of President-elect Donald Trump and his allies for election interference.
This is all because of a relationship that Willis had with the case's top prosecutor. Atlanta News First political reporter Doug Reardon is live outside the state appellate court tonight, where that decision came down just hours ago. Doug.
Good evening to you both. You know, Willis already appealed the decision that came out of this appellate court to the Georgia Supreme Court. It will be up to them as to whether or not they decide to take that case up. But regardless, this decision, if it stands, is going to have some pretty wide-ranging impacts for all defendants here in Georgia, not just Donald Trump and his allies. In their decision Thursday, appeals court judges said Willis's relationship with the top prosecutor on the Trump case, Nathan Wade, eroded public confidence in the prosecution to the point where she had to go. The court saying the relationship created a significant appearance of impropriety, an appearance that must be removed. Stephen Sadow, Trump's Georgia attorney, calling the decision well-reasoned and just. The decision puts an end to a politically motivated persecution of the next president of the United States, he said in a statement to Atlanta News First.
The Court of Appeals can handle it whatever way they want.
There were no oral arguments in the case, only a written decision from the appeals judges. The same day it came down, Willis almost immediately appealed the decision. Attorney Josh Schiffer thinks the state Supreme Court will want to hear it.
The Georgia Supreme Court now has an opportunity to set forth a policy that's solid for the entire state. It's an opportunity for clarity from the Georgia Supreme Court.
Schiffer says while the impacts of Willis's removal will certainly impact Trump's prosecution, it will also have meaning for anyone charged with a crime in Georgia.
This is the case that will be cited if you feel that you're being prosecuted unfairly by a prosecutor because of a conflict. Prior to this in Georgia, if you believed as a criminal defendant that your prosecutor had some sort of conflict, it was almost impossible to get any kind of a remedy from the court system.
So the decision to remove Willis here at the appellate court was 2-1. All three judges on that three-judge panel were appointed by Republicans. In downtown Atlanta, Doug Reardon, Atlanta News First.